This week's Aviation 101 Fun Facts aircraft is a Boeing 767-200. It made its first flight on September 26, 1981, and went into service with United Airlines on September 8, 1982. This is Boeing's first wide-body twin-jet and is powered by a GE CF6, a Rolls-Royce RB211, or Pratt & Whitney JT9D or PW4000. It seats 216 passengers over 3,900 nautical miles, or the extended range version seats 181 over about 6,600 nautical miles. The 767-200F freight version shown here can haul 116,000 pounds, about 3,300 nautical miles. As of August 2024, 1,317 of the 767 have been made.